He says he's lost his mum, but he hasn't. He's found his mum again now. When they're this age, they are a bit dim, but they're certainly going to love it out in the sunshine again today. I think tomorrow is supposed to be due to rain and what have you, so they've really got to make the most of these sunny days at the moment. I don't really want to put them out in the rain, because wet and cold lambs is a surefire way to get dead lambs or poorly lambs, neither of which we want. But happy, healthy lambs, that's what we do want. And being out here with the sun on their backs, learning to graze, you see, even though they're only a week old, the little ones are already eating grass. That's how quickly they grow up. We had to pick a polythene bag up off the field when we came down this morning. It's obviously blown in from somewhere. But obviously little bits of rubbish like that you don't need again on the pasture, because we don't want the animals eating it, investigating it, getting wrapped up in it, anything like that. We just want, as I say, happy sheep, happy mums, happy babies, everybody growing well, everybody looking happy, having a little bit of a skip like that out in the sunshine. That's it. We should bring them back in again tonight, because I don't want to leave them out for the mercy of Mr. Fox or Mr. Badger. And even though there was kites and buzzards circling around yesterday when they were out, we managed to get them all back in healthily, so that's a good thing. There we are. We'll leave them with a bit of peace and a bit of sunshine. I don't think you can eat that great big twig, you moose. Oh well, I'm sure he'll discover that himself.